I take big pride in this because his skin has changed a lot ever since meeting me. And these are the things that he will use and won't use. He never used to use sunscreen before meeting me, but now if he can get a sunscreen to apply seamlessly within 3 seconds of doing this, he'll use it. The sunscreen he was using in that video is the Isntree one. He also loves this Jada one, but anything that is too thick and won't apply seamlessly, he will not use. I've been really trying to get him into toners and essences, but every time I leave these in his bathroom, the line will not go down. He doesn't get the point of these. But he does love mist, and he keeps a bottle at his desk and kind of mists throughout the day when his skin is super dry, and he goes through these mists really fast. Serums, anything with a weird color or anything that is like too droppy, he will not use. But if there is a serum that has more like a creamy consistency like this, he will use. By the way, he loves Paula Choice product. It's honestly so stupid, but if the packaging is more unisex like this, then he'll use it. If it's something like pink like this, he won't touch it. His favorite moisturizer though is this one from Kiehl's and the Facial Fuel. Every time he runs out and I try to give him something new, he's like, no, there's nothing that hydrates my skin more than this one. So I guess it works.